Hi beauties, how are you doing? It is me again, and it's that time of month that we have a Boxy Charm, and I only received it not yesterday but the day before, so Sunday. I received it on Sunday and this is Tuesday, so I'm actually doing this on time. So this month's box, which is September, we are in September, and the box is Glam Vibes Only. So what do we have for this month? Well, the first thing is Glam in Paradise mask infused with cannabis sativa seed oil. And these are retailed at $18. This is a 3 mask set. And it is a foil leopard pattern sheet mask. And they are Insta-worthy selfies. So I can't wait to do this. They say they're vegan, so that's cool. I will have to do a little thing on Insta when I do those. So the next thing I see is something I know I will keep, because I keep all the mascaras to try unless I've tried them before and I know I like them or don't like them. I don't like to buy mascara. That's a new thing for me. I like to only try the small sizes of mascara, or obviously if they send a large volume, a large regular sized mascara, I will usually use that too, because I'm so picky. I'm using some right now that I got in BoxyCharm. I will sometimes I will go buy a sample size or the small travel size mascara if I really like it. I don't buy the full sizes unless they're store brands and they're just cheap ones, but I don't really like store brands, so there's that. So this one is a Lash Boss Bold by Laura Geller. The volumizing brush, Vava Volume for Mega Lashes. It says wavy fibers, protective properties, smooth formula. And this goes for $24. And it's black. I always wear black. I never ever wore brown, I don't think. Maybe once or twice. So this is a regular size. Why does it look so tiny in the box? But this is a good regular size. And we've got that straight brush on there. I don't really like the straight brush. I like the big, skinny in the middle, big on the ends, like the dumbbell type looking ones. But I'll give her a try. I love Laura Geller. So, did I say that this goes for $24? I'll be keeping those two things. Next thing I see that I know I'll keep is a brand that I've used before. I've received in boxes. I received samples before, and then also other products. Okay, so this I know I will keep because I've used this brand before. It is Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin Eye Cream with Areola Cherry. This does not smell like cherry. I was very disappointed by that. But it is, let me take my glasses off. It is paraffin free, formaldehyde free, synthetic fragrance free, something else free, mineral oil free, and cruelty free. All good things to be free of. And it comes in this little bottle and the safety cover. Yeah, it doesn't smell. It doesn't smell good at all. Yeah. So, yeah, where's the instructions? Tap and gently smooth around eye area. May apply to brow bone for additional radiance. Use AM and PM. So even though it really does not smell good, I love this brand. I always keep the eye creams because a girl is aging. I know you can't tell, but these products are why. I use all the eye creams I can get my hands on. Not all at once, people. I use one product at a time. Just a little disclaimer. So, another disclaimer. I've looked at these already. I've gone through this. So, I have chosen not to keep the next two products. The eyeshadow palette, I really do like, and I want to keep it, but I know that I have palettes with these colors, and I have palettes with these glitters. I'm going to let it go to the giveaway. And this blush bronzer, it's really too dark for me anyway, so I'm going to let it also go to the giveaway. First thing that I'm going to put in the giveaway is the blusher and the bronzer trio, and this is it. Let me see. That middle shade has like a dusting of glitter in it. I wish I could swatch it, but because I am because I am putting it in the giveaway, I can't swatch it. But it has like this, I think it has like a dusting of glitter in it. This is an all-in-one palette, ideal for a fresh and bright complexion all day, that includes the best-selling bronzer, multi-blush, and matte blonde blush. Okay. This is an all-in-one palette, ideal for a fresh and bright complexion all day, that includes the best-selling bronzer, multi-blush, and matte blush in a compact box. And this goes for $42. And this is the palette I had to really talk to myself about. So this is the Spanglish. It's a pressed powder pigment palette, perfect for day or night. The palette features 8 stunning shades. The 4 shimmers are just like your multi-dimensional and unique, dripping in fine glitter and reflective pearls. Ground your look with the easy to blend and ultra long wearing mattes. This retails for $28. Now I'm just going to remove the tab so we can see it. It has a mirror. I'm just going to fold it back and let you see these beauties. I mean, Evie palette. So yeah, these colors are beautiful. I mean, these are for blue eyes, definitely. And I mean, this color right here is so, this color is why I wanted to keep the palette, because it is just amazingly beautiful. Like, it's breathtaking. It's really breathtaking. And yeah, but I'm gonna put that in the giveaway, and so somebody will be getting that. There will be some information about the giveaway soon, because I want to get that going. I just have to add a few more goodies to it. I'm really excited about that. And yeah, so this is the end of this September BoxyCharm. Again, I feel like this was a good box. I mean, the palette was pretty darn good. The mask, the mascara, the eye product, all things that I love, obviously. So yeah, I think this is a really good box. I want to know what you thought about the box, and I want you to tell me what you are hoping to see in the giveaway. So I will let you just leave all the little comments and make me so happy. That would make me like overjoyed, people. So like, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe. If you're watching me, please, please, please subscribe. I'm begging. And remember, you are beautiful. So like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, be your own beautiful.